So, good morning here in Nago, Okinawa. We're staying in a container van hotel. So, we're the second floor. Observe, no? So, this is sunrise here in Nago, Okinawa. So, the room is facing the sea, facing the coastline of Nago. I think this is a cove. So, yung facilities, if you observe yung facilities, this one. Ayan. Meron silang ito facing the sea. Then their comfort room. Ayan. Then yung their main feature is yung bathtub. Ayan. Ayan. Try natin to. Very nice. So with a very good sleep here. We'll be having our longest drive today, going north. Okay. Maligo na tayo to kasi in 2 hours we'll be checking out. Ayan. Yup, right. Sayang.
Sayang. 5,000 bayad natin.
Nice one.